In this video, I'll show you how to link Plaid to Cash App. Connecting your bank through Plaid is a simple and secure process, and it allows Cash App to safely access your account for transfers, payments, and managing your funds more easily. First, open Cash App and tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. From there, go to Linked Banks to start the process. Next, select Link a debit card, and then tap on No Card. This will take you to a new page where Cash App uses Plaid to securely connect your bank account. Plaid acts as a middleman between your bank and Cash App, which means it safely handles your login details and account information. It then shares the necessary data with Cash App to link your account for transactions, adding an extra layer of security. Tap Continue to move forward. Now, you'll need to find your bank from the list. You can scroll through the options or use the search function to find your institution quickly. For example, if you use Chase, simply select it from the list. After selecting your bank, log in with your bank credentials, follow the on-screen prompts carefully, and choose the account information that you want to link to Cash App. Plaid is used for all supported banks, so no matter which bank you select, it ensures your account is connected safely and securely. Once the login and verification are complete, your bank will be fully linked to Cash App, allowing you to transfer money, add funds, and manage your account easily. And that's it. Linking your bank through Plaid is fast, secure, and makes using Cash App much smoother and more convenient.